I've been off with a broken back for a little bit. Didn't know for about 8 months. In the meantime, I'm just going to play around with just building a few bikes. This is going to be a bit of a budget build. So picked this thing up for $5,900 off some random dude off Marketplace. Has a few parts on it that I still like. You know, it's got like grips, I'll change those. Brand new bars, new plastics. TNC are gonna go absolutely insane with the sticker kit for this. I've got a mad idea that'll be like really unique. And yeah, I'll put a pipe on it, maybe put a Hinson clutch cover on it, depending. This actually comes with a clutch cover guard on it. I don't know how scratched up the one is underneath. I hate the look of that cover. I think it looks pretty shit, to be honest. So yeah, we'll do this bike build and see what it comes to. Hopefully not too much, because I don't like spending money. But at home, back cooked. So, bit of fun. Let's go. Millie, come here. Okay. So this is as much as I'm gonna tear this thing down. I think I've got to get a lot of the stickiness off from where I've taken stickers off. Now that I've got mostly everything apart, I'm gonna give it a good clean up. I'll take the tank off. The subframe can stay. I just pull the wiring and battery apart so I can just sort of clean all in there. Really want to give a good clean inside where the air box is. So we'll start giving it a clean up, and I'll throw some parts on it. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. So, a few days putting this thing back together, more cleaning than installing, because obviously, you know, second-hand bike is what it is, but it's been pretty fun sort of cleaning stuff and getting stuff like really, really nice to be able to install some pretty cool looking stuff on it. So yeah, just went with the budget. You know, I bought the bike for what, $5,900. Second-hand pipe off Marketplace was $200. I think it was rusty, smashed up, gross, stickers off it. I think it was pretty messed up. Obviously I got a new seat cover and graphics kit from TNC Graphics. I forget the price of those, but I'll put them up here. Yeah, the front, like the disc cover for the front wheel. That's pretty much it. Fresh grips, fresh bars, bar pad. You know, just all the usual stuff, fresh sprocket, fresh chain. Yeah, so I couldn't see this bike being worth any more than, what, after I paid for it, close to the $7,500 to the $8,000 mark, which is pretty good. For a second-hand bike off Marketplace, I'm stoked with it. Just a little project with a little bit of money lying around, probably throwing money in the bin because it's dirt bikes, but at the same time, having some fun with it, and yeah, here she is. Yeah, so I just want to thank everyone who helped me put it together and get this thing across the line looking absolutely unreal for a bike that for a Facebook Marketplace bike that cost me, what, $5,900. How good's this? Like, you can't complain.